Welcome to Outfits Garage, where everything is an outfit.
Oh, hey guys. I didn't see y'all sitting over there. I just sitting there minding my own business, sitting here in front of this restaurant waiting on Mama Outfit and the family to get here. And just wanted to get on here for a minute and say Merry Christmas to everybody and hope you have a Happy New Year. We're getting close. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. We only like 140 more. We really appreciate each and every one of you for getting on and hitting that subscribe button. And go ahead and hit that notification bell while you're at it. And I think we're going to be on before long, before very much longer. We'll be back out in the shop doing some things and tinkering on some different projects. And anyway, just wanted to get on here for a little bit and give y'all a little brief update. We're planning on doing a little bit of dirt tracking this coming year. Hope y'all get to watch some of that. All right, guys, I'm back at you again. I just wanted to get back on here real quick. I got a phone call a while ago. I had to get off from it. But anyway, just wanted to get on here and tell you guys Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Outfits Garage. Everybody that's involved here. We got Doug, we got Mama Outfit, we got Matthew, and you got myself. And even old Uncle Frank said Merry Christmas. So anyway, just wanted to say see you later, guys. We'll be back with you here real soon. We'll keep putting up a few shorts here and there, and just keep hitting that subscribe button, share button, like button. Well, hey guys, we are back, and we're just kind of sitting around a cabin. We had this planned for 6 or 8 months now, and we wasn't going to back out of this come snow or ice. So as you see here, we're snowed in. We got about 32 inches of snow out here, as you can tell. It's coming down probably inch of snow every 32 seconds, and but we're doing good though. We got Mama Outfit over here. She's trying to keep from laughing at me. We got Sister Outfit right here.
Hey.
Well, back it up. Daughter Outfit.
Right.
And got that son-in-law outfit over there. He's over here. He's over here snacking. Got him some beef jerkies and dehydrated cows. But but anyway, now we got a little cabin up here. A lot of people scared to death what's going to happen, but it's just winter time. So pretty nice little cabin up here we're staying in, as you can see. Little up here in Mountain View, Arkansas. It's supposed to get down to about 1 degree in the morning. So oh well, we're inside. As long as we don't lose power, we're good. So anyway, just wanted to say that. Coming in here, I'm gonna try to top off this video with this. We'll be back with you here soon. And we're gonna wish y'all Merry Christmas. Everybody say it. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas.
Amen. So we appreciate everybody. We thank y'all. Hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. Outfits Garage here saying, catch you later. Keep a hammering. God bless you. Here we go, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Christmas, because that's all I used to know. I don't know much more of this song, and may all your Christmases be white.
We want to thank you for watching Outfits Garage. Be sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to get all the Outfit episodes. Y'all have a good day.